Another man detained in murder of politicians Phillips Powell's daughter and her mother. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have confirmed that another man has been detained in connection with the kidnapping and murder conspiracy that claimed the lives of 10-month-old daughter of the Member of Parliament for East Kingston and Port Royal, Philip Paulwell, and her 27-year-old mother. The suspect was taken into custody on Wednesday and is to undergo through an administrative process, according to the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime and the security portfolio, Fitz Bailey. Speaking at a press conference on Thursday, Mr. Bailey assured that further details surrounding the suspect's arrest will be made known at a later date. "We are going to ensure that every person who participated in this crime faces justice. We are committed to that as an organization," declared Deputy Commissioner of Police Mr. Fitz Bailey. He said that the killing of the mother and child was one of the most gruesome crimes that the law enforcers had ever seen. The suspect brings to 5 the number of people arrested in relation to the kidnapping and murder of Boswell's daughter Soraya and her mother Tashina Patterson. The two were kidnapped from their Glenmore Drive home in St. Andrew on September the 9th and taken to Stony Hill, also in St. Andrew, before being driven to East Kingston, where they were shot and killed and their bodies burnt in a case that shocked the nation. U.S. Navy Petty Officer Leota Bradshaw, who described herself as Boswell's wife and with whom he shares a daughter, is said to be the mastermind behind the murders. The murder contract was reportedly for $500,000, and Bradshaw allegedly made a down payment of $100,000 for the murders to be committed. Her cousin Roland Balfour, a 30-year-old assistant graphic designer of a Kingston address, has been charged with 2 counts of conspiracy to murder, 2 counts of conspiracy to kidnapping, and misprision of felony. They have been remanded in custody until next year, when their court date is set for March 6, 2024. 2 other men confessed to their roles in the murder for hire plot and were sentenced in November this year. One of the men were sentenced to 30 years behind bars on each count of 2 counts of murder. The sentences are to run concurrently, and he must serve at least 20 years before being eligible for parole consideration. The other convict received 7 years and 10 months in prison for 2 counts of accessory before the fact to murder, among other offenses. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.